Custom fields give business owners and administrators the power to create their own bespoke software to manage client, pet, and staff information. Important! If you are new to custom fields, then check out the previous video in this series. It explains how custom fields can provide endless opportunities for customizing your CRM. You'll find the link just below this video. Custom fields is an easy-to-use feature of PetSitter Plus that allows you to tailor your software to suit your business needs. Here, you can personalize your CRM and staff management tools to capture exactly the information you need from your clients, details about their pets, information for service reporting, plus, your staff information pages can be customized to record the specific data you want to collect from your team. Let's take a closer look at adding and editing custom fields on the pet profile. We are going to create a new page, section, and fields all relating to dog grooming. First, log into your PetSitter Plus dashboard. To begin, navigate to the Admin tab. Then select Custom Fields. From the Pets category of Custom Fields, next to Pages, click the plus sign to add a new page. In the Create New Page name field, enter Dog Grooming, and then click Create Page. For this page, we will want clients to have access to some of the sections and fields for adding information about their dog. Top tip, you'll find info icons throughout your system, offering extra help text beside key features. Just click the icon for a quick explanation of what each setting does. Now let's add a section. Click the plus sign next to Section and enter a name for your section. In this example, we will enter Grooming History. Now click Create Section. Under Visibility and Permissions, make the section visible to clients and allow them to make updates by toggling on both Visible to Client and Clients Can Update. Next, we will create information fields that can be listed under the Grooming History section. Click the plus sign in the Field section and enter the name of the field. For this example, we are creating a field that asks whether a client's dog has been groomed before. When creating the field, set the field type to Choice to enable clients to answer with a yes or no response. With a choice field, you can enter a prompt to elicit a response. For example, enter Please Choose, which will give the client a cue to answer the question. They can then enter yes or no. If you prefer to have your fields as a drop-down menu choice, click in the checkbox above the Choices box. Again, under the Visibility and Permissions section, to enable your clients to view and update this field, toggle on both Visible to Clients and Clients Can Update. Always remember to click Update at the top of the page to save your changes. Top tip: when creating and editing custom fields, you can access the client portal to view any changes you have made. The client portal is a secure and customizable space where your clients can view and update their own information, request services, manage their bookings, pay invoices, and so much more. So be sure to watch our client portal overview video. You'll find it in the Essential First Steps playlist, or simply click the link below. Want to change the order of your fields? Use the up and down arrows to move your page, section, or fields. Position them in the order you would like them to appear in the admin interface and client portal. And don't forget, at any point you can edit and make changes to any of the standard pages, sections, or fields. For example, in the Client menu, let's change the field name of one of the sections in the Supplies and Connections page. Click the Supplies section, scroll down to the Name field and make your change. Click Update to save your changes. Now let's change the field type for the cleaning supplies field from a simple text field to a multi-line text field. This will allow a client or admin to enter more information in the space provided. Simply select the field, click Edit next to the field type. From the drop-down, select multi-line text, remembering to click Update to save your changes. From the admin view, you can now see the change of section name and the change of field type. Now you have created and edited your custom fields. You can repeat this process for other pages, sections, and fields to further customize your software and enable you to obtain exactly the information you require to provide your services. And you're good to go. You've learned a powerful way to customize your information on your system with custom fields. Check out our other videos for custom fields to find out how to set visibility and permissions controls and add display conditions. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below, or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about Pet Sitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial and you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give the video a thumbs up.